Sri Devi Nrityalaya team to please join me on stage for the dance performance. Ladies and gentlemen, can we put our hands together, dear doctors and friends? Music. I'm sure that there must be some technical challenge, otherwise we do not want to stop the performance. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that hiccups happens to all of us, and this is just another technical hiccup. So let's bear with it. And team, I'm very happy to see your smile. You're still determined to continue performance as soon as the music is up. Moments like this bring a question mark on the artist's face. But then they get that determination and confidence only when the people sitting opposite to them are still watching them. So give a round of applause to the participant on stage to encourage and motivate them and make sure that their nervousness gets away. This is all that we can do always. While our team is getting ready again for the song to be played from the beginning, as we would want this time without distractions, because earlier when Surekha ma'am was here, we all were meeting her. Now I want her to watch the performance. Can we have the song from the beginning? Not this song. Ladies and gentlemen, as I also mentioned that today, not just the Faces of Healthcare or the Telangana Doctors Excellence Awards 2026, but we are also celebrating the World IVF Day. All right, we are up and ready. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the final performance of tonight.
तांडव गणपति ससिनी तो मेरा 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 तांडव गणपति पतिनी तो मेरा तांडव गणपति आंडवन गणपति अरुणिणवायना ஆண்டவன் கணபதி அருளிடவாயன ஆண்டவன் கணபதி அருளிடவாயன ஆண்டவன் கணபதி அருளிடவாயன ஆண்டவன் கணபதி அருளிடவாயன ஆண்டவ கணபதி ஜீவிதோ என தாண்டவ गणपति नर्तन गणपति नलिनवे पार्थिड नर्तन गणपति नलिनवे पार्थिड कसिवि तोमन शिव नडन तुळिरे दसिवि तोमन शिव नडन तुळिरे नर्तन गणपति नलिनवे पार्थिड कसिवि तोमन शिव नडन तुळिरे नर्तन गणपति नलिनवे पार्थिड कसिवि तोमन शिव नडन तुळिरे तांडव गणपति ससिनी तो मेरा तांडव गणपति ससिनी तो मेरा तांडव गणपति तांडव गणपति तांडव गणपति
Ooh. This was, by count, the fourth performance. The girls have been extremely patient. Can we all give a big round of applause to all the performance from Sri Devi Nrityalaya? And now, it is the right fitting. When right things fall at the right place and the right time, it becomes even more beautiful. I have a respected guest in between us who is known for preserving culture, heritage, as well as social development and empowerment. It was just the right fitting that the cultural performance happened. And ma'am, the children wanted to perform only for you once again. They've been waiting to just bring that beauty and smile on your face. We thank you for joining us. Please join me, ladies and gentlemen, in welcoming a respected leader with a strong commitment to public service. She had made valuable contributions to women empowerment, as said, social development, and preserving a rich culture and heritage. Her dedication and leadership always continued to inspire many across the state. We're delighted with her gracious presence and her gracious presence over and over again. She's always been there when the state actually demanded for leaders like her. Can I please excuse that teacup and invite on stage Honorable Minister for Endowments, Government of Telangana, none other than Srimati Konda Surekha Garuji on stage. Everyone, put your hands together. Ma'am, can we take a small picture with them? And thank you for joining. Please come, ma'am. Please join me. Ladies and gentlemen, the marvel, the beauty, the leader herself is here. Give a round of applause for her. Lot of commitments, but then we made sure that this happens. Can I request Anand sir and Manish sir to please join me on stage, please? And the students, Sridevi Nrityalaya group, please join us on stage. The moment that you all have been waiting for is actually getting possible. So please grace the stage. Ma'am, I request you to hand it over to the children on stage here with us. Please, girls, go forward. Receive it. Yes, please listen to our dear photography team. They are the best people to guide you for the pictures. You can come that side, yes, and give your best smile ever. This is going to be your one best beautiful picture, dear team. Girls, you can hold that. Yes, yes. Can we bring it again, please? Can we bring that again?